How to delete your phone number on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can change your phone number on Snapchat. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Snapchat application. Once you do that, go to your profile section and from the appear screen, go ahead and click on that gear icon. Now you will be appear with your Snapchat settings. So what you're gonna do in order to change your phone number is simply tap on mobile number. So what you can do is only remove your phone number, so simply remove it. There is no other way to delete your phone number. You can only change your phone number by removing it and adding another one. So this is the only working method. You can only remove it or change the phone number. So that's all guys. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.